Hi, I'm Will Berry with Berico, and when it gets hot, people get a little hot under the collar. I guess sweaty people want someone to blame, so they start complaining about El Nino, global warming, or even the White House. But instead of adding more hot air, they should remember their comfort is best handled by an efficient and reliable air conditioner. And cooling homes efficiently and making people comfortable is what Berico has been doing for almost 100 years. So call Berico to cool your home down today.